Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Maths Academy Padma. Today we are going to learn about the chapter Numbers. Okay, today our topics are digit and what are the numbers, largest and smallest numbers, how can we read numbers, place values, phase values, expanded form, short form. We are going to discuss about the first topic, digits. Okay, what are the digits? Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called digits, and 0 to 9 are also called as one digit numbers. 0 to 9 are also called as one digit number. And then we will go to numbers. What are the numbers? Groups of digits. What are the numbers? Groups of digits are called numbers. Let us take an example. Suppose if you take 234, here 2 is a digit, and 3 is also a digit, 4 is also a digit. Here group of digits is called a one number, 234, and 345 is also a number. Here digits are 3, 4, 5. This is the 3-digit number. And let us take another example. 22. 22 is a 2-digit number. 22 is the 2-digit number. Here digits are 2. Okay. Let's get into the second topic. Largest and smallest digit numbers. Largest one-digit number. 9. Largest two-digit number. 99. And largest three-digit number. 999. And largest four-digit number. Can you guess this answer? Yes. 9999. 9999. Okay. If you add 1 to the largest one-digit number, then we will get 10. This is the smallest two-digit number. And then we will add 1 to the largest two-digit number. We will get 100. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. If you add 1 to the largest three-digit number, then we will get smallest four-digit number. If you add 1 to the largest four-digit number, then we will get 10,000. This is the smallest five-digit number. Okay, got it? And smallest digit numbers. Smallest two-digit number 10. Smallest three-digit number 100. Smallest four-digit number 1000. Smallest five-digit number 10,000. Can you guess the smallest one-digit number? Comment your answer in this comment section. Okay, let's get into another topic. How can we read numbers? We read numbers with the help of place value chart. For example, if we take 4, 6, 5, 6. This is the number. How can we read this number? First, 6 this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 6 is in the ones place, 5 is the tens place, and 6 is the hundreds place, 4 is the thousands place. Okay? That means, how can we read this number? 4 is in the thousands place, so 4,000. 6 is in the hundreds place, 600. 5 is the tens place, so 50. 6 is in the ones place, 6. That means 4,656. Okay? Let us take another number. 4752. That means 4752. 4752. Here 2 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, 4 is in the thousands place. That means 4752. 4752. Okay? And then value. What is the place value? The digit multiplied wherever it is placed, either by tens, hundreds or thousands. That means if you take a 4656. Here the place value of 4. The digit multiplied wherever it is placed. Here 4. It is multiplied wherever it is placed. That is 1000. Place value of 4 is 4000. Suppose the place value of 6. Place value of 6. It is in the hundreds place. So 6 into 100, 600. 6 into 100, 600. And place value of 5. It is in the tens place. So 5 into 10, 50. Place value of 6, 6. And here place value of 4. 4 into 1000, 4000. Place value of 7. 7 into 100, 700. Place value of 10. 5 into 10, 50. Place value of 2. 2. Okay? And then get into the face value. What is the face value? The digit itself. The digit itself with a number. The digit itself within a number is called face value. That means here 4656 is the number. The face value of a 6. Face value of a 6. 6. Face value of 5. 5. Face value of 6. 6. Face value of 4. That means 4. Face value of 2. 2. Face value of 5. 5. Face value of 7. 7. Face value of 4. 4. But place value of 4, 4000. Face value of 4, 4. That means the digit itself within a number. That is called the face value. And then let's get into the topic expanded form of numbers, short form of numbers. Let us take one number 4 3 4 3 5 6. How can we write this number? 6 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, 4 is in the thousands place. How can we read this number? 4356. How can we expand? First 4. 4 is in the thousands place. So 4000 plus 3 is in the hundreds place. So 300. That is 3 into 100, 300. 5 is in the tens place. That means 5 into 10, 50. And 6 is in the ones place. So 6. And let us take another number 6 7 5 6. 6 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, and 6 is in the thousands place. How can we read this number? 6 is in the thousands place. That means 6756. How can we expand this number? First, we will take 6. 6 is in the thousands place. That means 6 into 1000, 6000. 7 is in the hundreds place. That means 7 into 100, 700. 5 is in the tens place. That means 5 into 10, 50. And 6 is in the ones place. That means 6 is the 6. Okay. How can we write this number in short form? How can we write these numbers are in short form? 4000. That means 4. And 3 is in the hundreds place. That means 3. And 5 is in the tens place. That means 5. And 1 is in the, and 6 is in the ones place. That means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Suppose Let us take this example. 6,000. Here 6,000, that means it is in the thousands place. So we can write 6 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the hundreds place, 5 is in the tens place, and 6 is in the ones place. Thank you for watching this video.